So today I'm going to tell you that how you can make bootable USB the authentic way of Microsoft of Windows 11. So the first thing you need to do is open the Google Chrome browser, and you need to download Media Creation Tool for Windows 11. So as you can see, this is the link. I will also attach this link into the description, and you need to click over here, Windows 11. So there are two things. If you want to download some assistant, you can click over here. If you want to create a media, you need to click over here, and if you want the image file, you can click multi-edition ISO. So the preferred way, according to the machine, if you want to download and make the USB bootable, so you can just go ahead and click on download now. It will download a very small file at the moment, so I'm going to run this file. Yes, it's going to ask me to attach the flash drive, which I'm using, Kingston 16 GB flash drive. So you need to accept this here. By the way, if you need any kind of keys like OEM professional keys for Windows 11 Home, Windows 11 Professional, Windows 10 Professional, I'm gonna leave my WhatsApp number. You can just shoot me a text so we can proceed from there. So as you see that soon I click next, it's asking me to create an ISO file for the USB flash drive. ISO file helps you, like you can use any third-party bootable media software like Rufus, Blana Etcher to keep using the same file and make bootable drive, which is also good. But the authentic way to make a flash drive is to just go ahead, select USB flash drive, click next, and as you can see, this is Infinite flash drive is attached here. And now I'm gonna click on next, and it's gonna prepare everything for me. So at this moment the progress is gonna go start, and soon it's complete. It's gonna ask me to finish this process, and soon I hit finish, your bootable USB will be ready to boot. This process will take like 15, 20, 25 minutes. So at this time it's already started, so soon it will be done. I'll be right back. As you can see, if I open my computer, so this is the drive icon at the moment. So it's empty at the moment. So I just want to show you that soon it will start working on this. It will start creating files over here, and the icon for the flash drive will be changed into the media creation tool icon. It will be like it's gonna look like a bootable USB flash drive for Windows 11. So I will let the progress go, and I will be back soon it's get done. So as you can see, it's already like 51%. So I'm gonna let it go. And I will be right back. I am gonna attach the media creation tool link for Windows 10 and also for Windows 11 in the description. So if you guys wanted to download any media creation tool to make bootable way, bootable USB or DVD, you can do the same thing. So as you can see, the progress is 97 to 98% now. It's about to get complete. And now basically it's going to start verifying your download, and once this percentage will complete to 100, the bootable USB will be ready to go. So straight jump to 4%, 6. So this whole process would take like 15 to 20 minutes, and it will be ready to go. And soon I'm going to give away 5 Windows OEM keys. So please go ahead and subscribe my channel. Press the like button if you like this video, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. So remember, 5 Windows 11 keys I'm gonna give away soon I hit 2,000 subscribers, which is like 240 subscribers away. So please go ahead and subscribe my channel. I will let it go to 100% now, and I will be right back. So as you can see, it's almost 98%. At this time, if I take you to my computer, and if we look into the USB drive, and you can see that it's using the space, and it's creating files into the flash drive. So soon it will be 100%. So bootable USB will be ready to boot, and you can install Windows 11 using this bootable media. My next video is probably going to be about, just in case if you forgot your password, you still need this bootable USB drive to reset the password if you do not have any sort of BitLocker signs on your C drive or the D drive. Specifically C drive, you don't have any BitLocker on, I can help you out resetting the password on your computer, which in that case you will not lose any of your data out of your laptop. So it's almost 98%. I'm gonna wait until it gets to 100%, and if USB bootable drive will hopefully change the sign of the USB icon, the drive icon. If that's the case, even if it does not, sometime it does not, and it will still work because you are using the Microsoft authentic way to create your bootable USB drive. So I'm gonna add the link for Windows 11 and Windows 10. You definitely will be able to download the media creation Windows 10 installation media. Create Windows 10 installation media. You can just click on download now. It will download the media creation tool as it did before, like this file, and then you will be able to make bootable for Windows 10 too. It's just 1% left. Hopefully it will be done soon. And again, I'm giving away 5 Microsoft Windows 11 OEM keys. So I'm gonna give them away soon. I hit 2,000 subscribers, and any person who wants the Windows 11 key, please leave a comment down below with the Windows 11. Type Windows 11, comment it down, and I will definitely give you guys Windows 11 key. I'm gonna select only 5 people, and I will reach you out, guys, using your email addresses. And if you confirm that's you, then I'm gonna send you the professional or home, whatever edition you wanted. I will send you the Windows 11 key. So go ahead and subscribe my channel. Leave the comment down below Windows 11, so then you will be eligible to get the Windows 11 key. Again, only for 5 people. So hopefully this one last person is going to be in soon, and then I am going to show you how it's gonna look like after you successfully created, and that will be all. So as you can see that it says that your USB flash drive is ready. I'm gonna click on finish, and it's just gonna take a few seconds, and close this dialog box. So now I'm gonna open my PC, and as you can see, the bootable drive is actually ready. Let me just go ahead and refresh here. So you can see the icon for my bootable flash drive is changed into Windows 11 media creation tool. So at this point you're good to go. You can just plug in this drive. Make sure you shut your computer down properly and then plug it in, just in case if you have any viruses in your computer, so this auto run file will be deleted. So just make sure you plug it in when your computer is shut down properly, and then plug it in and boot it with your USB, bootable USB. It will start it will take you to the for the installation of Windows 11. All right, so that's all for the for creating bootable Windows 11 bootable USB. So I hope you like this video. Please go ahead and subscribe my channel to qualify for the Windows 11 OEM key. I'm gonna pick five people. Do not forget to comment with Windows 11 down the under the video, so in the comment section. And that's it for the day. And go ahead and subscribe my channel, like the video, and we'll talk to you later.